Traveling. It's about embracing new cultures, tasting exotic foods, and creating memories that last a lifetime. But amidst the excitement, it's crucial to stay safe and avoid scams. Just like we pack our bags, we need to pack our street smarts. Scams and tourist traps exist in every corner of the world, from bustling cities to serene beaches. These traps can quickly turn your dream vacation into a stressful situation. But don't worry, with a little awareness and preparation, you can outsmart even the slickest scammer. Remember, knowledge is your best defense. By understanding the common tactics used by scammers, you'll be better equipped to protect yourself and your belongings. So, let's explore how to travel smart and make the most of your adventures. Tourist traps and scams often prey on our excitement and unfamiliarity with a new place. These traps are designed to exploit the joy and wonder we feel when exploring new destinations. They might seem harmless at first, but they can quickly drain your wallet and leave a sour taste in your mouth. The disappointment can overshadow the entire experience, making you wary of future travels. One common tactic is the distraction scam. Imagine this: you're admiring a beautiful landmark when someone spills something on you or starts a commotion. This sudden chaos is designed to divert your attention. While you're distracted, an accomplice swipes your valuables. This can happen in a matter of seconds, leaving you confused and without your belongings. Always be aware of your surroundings and keep a firm grip on your belongings. In crowded areas, it's especially important to stay vigilant and cautious. Another trap is the overly friendly local. They might offer to help you find a hidden gem or take you to the best restaurant in town. Their charm can be disarming, making you lower your guard. While some locals are genuinely kind, others might lead you to overpriced shops or demand payment for their services. This can result in you spending more than you intended. It's best to stick to reputable businesses and ask for recommendations from your hotel or trusted sources. Doing a bit of research beforehand can also help you avoid these traps. Remember, if something feels too good to be true, it probably is. Scammers often use enticing offers to lure you in, so always be skeptical of deals that seem unusually generous. Trust your instincts and don't be afraid to walk away from a situation that seems suspicious. Your safety and peace of mind are far more valuable than any potential deal. Over the years, I've learned a few tricks to avoid tourist traps and make the most of my travels. These tips are simple but effective, and they've saved me from countless scams and unpleasant experiences. First, research your destination thoroughly. Before you go, learn about common scams in the area. Websites like TripAdvisor and Lonely Planet often have forums where travelers share their experiences and advice. Reading these can give you a heads up on what to watch out for. Second, learn a few basic phrases in the local language. Even a simple hello or thank you can go a long way in building rapport. Locals appreciate the effort and are less likely to see you as an easy target. Plus, it can make your interactions more enjoyable and authentic. Third, be wary of free offers or gifts. Often, there's a catch. You might be pressured to buy something else or end up paying an inflated price. It's best to politely decline and move on. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Finally, trust your gut instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Don't be afraid to say no or walk away from a situation that makes you uncomfortable. Your safety and peace of mind are more important than being polite. Section 4. Tales from my suitcase. Real-life encounters with tourist traps. Traveling can be an exhilarating experience, but it's not without its pitfalls. I'll never forget my first encounter with a tourist trap. It was a lesson I learned the hard way. I was in Paris, standing in awe of the Eiffel Tower, one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. A man approached me, offering to sell me a miniature replica. He seemed friendly and genuine. He was charming and persuasive, and I ended up paying an outrageous price for a trinket I later found in a souvenir shop for a fraction of the cost. It was a classic case of being caught off guard. Another time, in Venice, I was approached by a gondolier who offered me a romantic gondola ride. The setting was perfect, and I was excited. He quoted a reasonable price, but once we were out on the canals, he demanded double the amount. I felt trapped and had no choice but to pay. I learned the hard way to always agree on a price up front and get it in writing if possible. It's crucial to avoid misunderstandings and ensure a fair deal. These experiences taught me the importance of being prepared and staying vigilant. Always research and be aware of common scams in the area you're visiting. It can save you a lot of trouble and money. Section 5. Stay safe, savvy, and enjoy the journey. Traveling is about embracing the unknown and creating unforgettable memories. By staying informed and using common sense, you can avoid scams and tourist traps, ensuring that your adventures are filled with joy, not stress. Remember, knowledge is power. Research your destination, learn a few local phrases, and be wary of anything that seems too good to be true. Trust your instincts and don't be afraid to say no. Most importantly, don't let the fear of scams overshadow the joy of travel. With a little awareness, you can relax, embrace the adventure, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Section 6. Pack your bags with confidence. As you pack your bags for your next adventure, remember to pack your street smarts too. By following these simple tips, you can travel with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for anything. Safe travels, and may your journeys be filled with wonder and delight. Don't forget to subscribe, share your travel experiences in the comments, and share this video with fellow travelers.